A day in my life in marathon
Resuming.
training. Yeah. So ngayon guys, mag-slow LSD muna tayo ngayon. Long slow distance relationship. Ako, aray ko! Seven km.
Resuming.
8 km na tayo guys. As you can see guys, we are now entering Barangay White Beach, Dinagat Island, which is 8 kilometers ahead. More posts, let's go.
Resuming.
So guys, we are now here in Boulevard Dinagat, which is 10 km. From my hometown to this beautiful, let's go, more posts pa.